using a few amount of petrol we can burn for hours. Approximately 1 liter of petrol can go for a month for a middle class family. It is very affordable. My name is Lakshmikant Panda. I am from Baleswar from Ramuna High School. My project name is making biofuel from algae and using it as a cooking gas. The benefit from which we can get a biofuel from organically biofuel to avoid crude oil, because we know that one day crude oil will be disappear because the using rate is increasing, but the natural creating of the crude oil is decreasing. So we have prepared a model from which we can get biofuel from algae. Algae is a species from we can see anywhere in the lake, ponds, etc. It has no use, but it has a very special semiconductor that we can get biofuel from this, and it has a special ability that it can consume a high amount of CO2 in very less time. So emission of this in the factory areas seems to be less emission of carbon dioxide to the environment. So let's show the process how we can create biofuel from algae. First we will take some fresh algae, then we will crush it properly to make a paste with the help of mortar pestle. Then we will transfer it to a test tube. Then we will add some hexane. A few ml of hexane is enough. Then we will create a solution of alcohol. We are using methanol and a catalyst. KOH. We are mixing the mixing the alcohol and the catalyst. Then we will transfer it to that beaker. Then we will rest some time. Then after some time we will observe that 3 layer has been formed. The topmost layer is our biofuel. After biofuel we can receive it, and then after the purification we can get petrol, diesel, ethanol, glycerol and a natural fertilizer. Means you can smell it. It smells like petrol. I can show you that it can burn. Then you can observe that it is burning. Now come to my link project, making a free cooking gas. We know that LPG is now very high cost, so that middle class family can't afford it every month. It is costing approximately 1,000. So I have prepared a model from which can use petrol, diesel, kerosene, or we have biofuel. What we have get the biofuel we can use in that. In this process what we are making vapor in the petrol. After that vapor going into the water for cooling. Then we have added a Bunsen burner for burning. In that process, using a few amount of petrol we can burn for hours. Approximately 1 liter of petrol can go for a month for a middle class family. It is very affordable and reasonable price. Thank you.